Most companies don't lose employees because of salary. They lose them because of poor people management. Studies show businesses with effective HR practices can achieve up to 22% higher productivity, yet many organizations still struggle with hiring mistakes, low employee morale, workplace conflicts, and high turnover. The problem is that many professionals enter HR roles without understanding how recruitment, performance management, employee relations, compliance, and training actually work in real business environments. As workplaces become more complex, companies need HR professionals who can manage people strategically, not just handle paperwork. This HR course for beginners helps participants build practical HR skills from the ground up. From recruitment and payroll to performance management, employee engagement, conflict resolution, and HR policies, the course gives a complete understanding of how modern HR departments operate. Through case studies, role plays, and real-world exercises, participants learn how to manage employees effectively and support organizational growth. Because every successful business depends on strong human resource management. Enroll now and build the HR skills needed to manage people, improve performance, and grow your career with confidence.